This is Manglam biomass gasifier of 10 lakh kilocalories per hour. This system converts biomass like wood chips into a gas, and that gas travels through the pipeline to the burner. This is the pipeline connection. The gas is going inside the factory through this pipeline. Now we are inside the factory. This is a tunnel oven for rusk manufacturing. This is the burner for burning the gasifier gas. This is the other side of the oven. We can see how the gas is coming from outside the burner, and now the temperature. This is the finished goods. It's coming out after the baking. Earlier this company was using diesel, and now we have fully replaced that diesel with the help of Manglam biomass gasifier. They are saving huge fuel cost by using gasifier. At the same time, there is full hygiene, neatness, cleanliness. Everything is maintained inside the plant. Thank you.